Hello students, welcome to the Rose project. I am Patil SL. In the previous lecture, we study the probability mass function. In today's lecture, we study the variance expected value of a random variable. Now, first we see the definition of expected value and variance of a random variable. Let x be a discrete random variable taking values x1, x2, x3, xn with probability p1, p2, p3, pn respectively. Then the expected value of the random variable x denoted by e of x, capital E of x, is given by e of x is given by e of x is equal to x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus x3 p3 plus plus xn pn, where I goes from 1 to n. That is, e of x is equal to summation of I goes from 1 to n is equal to summation xi pi I goes from 1 to n. Next, remark or note. First note is, if PMF of x is, then E of x is equal to summation of x into P of x, probability of x. Second, expected value is called mean of random variable. Expected value is called mean of random variable. Then third note, the expected value E of x is equal to x bar. E of x is equal to x bar. This is also denoted by mu. This is also denoted by mu. Next, variance. The definition of variance. If x is a discrete random variable taking values x1, x2, x3, xn with the probabilities p1, p2, p3, pn respectively, and mu is equal to e of x, then the variance of x is denoted by phi of x. Variance of x is denoted by phi of x. It is defined as variance of x is equal to expected value e of x minus mu bracket square. Now remark. First remark is v of x, variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x bracket square. Second, if PMF of x is p of x, then variance of x is equal to summation of x square into p of x, where x belongs to s, minus summation of x into p of x bracket square, x belongs to s. Third remark, variance of x is denoted by sigma square. Next, fourth remark, variance of x is greater than equal to 0. That is, variance of x is always positive. Now we see the example. First example, find expected value and variance of x for the following PMF. Here given the table. In table, first row x random variable -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. In second row, probability of x 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.15, 0.25. here given that variance and variance of x and expected value calculated. That is, we construct the following table for variance and expected value e of x and e of x. Here the table. In this table, first column is x is equal to xi, that is given random variable. Second column is pi is equal to p of x is equal to xi, probability of x. Third column is xi into pi, and fourth column is x square pi is equal to xi into xi pi. We put the values for x is equal to xi. First is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Then pi is equal to also given, that is probability of x. When x is equal to -2, probability is equal to 0.2. When x is equal to -1, probability is equal to 0.3. When x is equal to 0.1, its probability is equal to 0.1. When x is equal to 1, probability is equal to 0.15. When x is equal to 2, probability is equal to 0.25. Its total is summation of these is equal to 1. Now xi into pi. Xi into pi, we get xi into pi. -2 into 0.2 is equal to -0.4. -1 into 0.3 is equal to -0.3. 0 into 0.1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0.15 is equal to 0.15. 2 into 0.25 is equal to 0.5. And we take its summation, we get -0.05. Now xi square into pi, xi square into pi. We take the square of this, we get multiplication in the form of x square into pi. X square into pi, we get 0.2, 0.3, 0, 0.15, 0.15, 1. And we taking its summation, we get 2.25. From the table, we get summation of xi pi is equal to -0.05 and summation of xi square into pi is equal to 2.25. Then we get expected value of x is equal to -0.05, that is summation of xi pi, and variance of x is equal to 2.25, means summation of xi square pi minus 0.05 square is equal to 2.25 minus 0.0025 is equal to 2.2475. Hence, variance of x is equal to -0.05 and variance of x is equal to 2.2475. Next example, find expected value and variance of x, where x is number obtained on the uppermost face when a pair die is thrown. Solution. Here in the example, we see that if a die is tossed, then the sample space for a random variable x is, when a die is tossed, then the sample space, that is outcomes are s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, expected value of x is equal to summation of x into p of x, where x belongs to s. Therefore, we get expected value of x is equal to 1 into 1 upon 6 plus 2 into 1 upon 6 plus 3 into 1 upon 6 plus 4 into 1 upon 6 plus 5 into 1 upon 6 plus 6 into 1 upon 6. That is p of x, probability of x and x. We put this here and we get this is equal to 1 upon 6 into bracket 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Take common, we get 1 upon 6 into bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 21 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 5. Now variance of x is equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x its square. We get summation of x square into p probability of x, where x belongs to s, minus 7 upon 2 bracket square. Therefore we get into bracket 1 square into 1 upon 6 plus 2 square into 1 upon 6 plus 3 square into 1 upon 6 plus 4 square into 1 upon 6 plus 5 square into 1 upon 6 plus 6 square into 1 upon 6 minus 49 upon 4. Therefore is equal to, we also take 1 upon 6 common, we get 1 upon 6 into bracket 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36 minus 49 upon 4. Therefore we get 35 upon 12 is equal to 2.9167. Now, next example. Find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a pair coin. Find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a pair coin. Here given that a pair coin is tossed 3 times of heads. When solution, when 3 coins are tossed, the sample space is, when 3 coins are tossed, the sample space is HHH, HHT, THH, HTH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. Therefore, number of sample space is equal to 8. Now, let x denote the number of heads when 3 coins are tossed. Let x denote the number of heads in 3 coins are tossed. Then x can take values 0, 1, 2, 3. X can take value 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to probability of 0 is equal to 1 upon 8. Next, probability of x is equal to 1 is equal to probability of 1 is equal to 3 upon 8. Then probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to probability of 2 is equal to 3 upon 8. Now, probability of x is equal to 3 is equal to probability of 3 is equal to 1 by 8. These are probability when x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now mean is equal to expected value of x is equal to summation of xi into probability of xi. Therefore, we get mean is equal to 0 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 8 is equal to 0 plus 1 by 8 plus 6 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 12 upon 8. Now next example. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. If x denotes the number of sixes, find the expectation of x. Solution. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. Therefore, when two dice are thrown, the sample space S has 6 into 6 is equal to 36 sample point. That is, N of S is equal to 36. Now, X denote the number of sixes when two dice are thrown. Let X denote the number of sixes when two dice are thrown. Then X can take value 0, 1, 2. Now when X is equal to 0, then X is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5. Therefore, number of x is equal to 25. Therefore, probability of x is equal to n of x upon n of s is equal to 25 upon 36. 25 upon 36. Now, when x is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5. Therefore, n of x is equal to 10. Therefore, p of x is equal to 1 is equal to n of x upon n of s is equal to 10 upon 36. Now, when x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 6, 6. Therefore, n of x is equal to 1. Therefore, probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to n of x upon n of s is equal to 1 upon 36. Therefore, E of x is equal to summation of xi into P of xi is equal to 0 into 25 upon 36 plus 1 into 10 upon 36 plus 2 into 1 upon 36 is equal to 0 plus 10 upon 36 plus 2 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 3. Now, next point is standard deviation. Definition: the positive square root of variance is called standard deviation. It is denoted by sigma. Thus, sigma is equal to square root of variance of x is equal to square root of e of x minus mu bracket square. Remark: first remark is standard deviation S dot D. Standard deviation of x has the same unit as that of x, whereas in computation of variance, units get squared. Second remark, the variance or the standard deviation is a measure of the dispersion of the values of a random variable about its expected value. Next example. A class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17, 19, 20, 16, 18, 20, 17, 16, 19 and 20 years. One student is selected in such a manner that each has the same chance being chosen and the age x of the student is recorded. What is the probability distribution of the random variable? Find mean, variance and standard deviation of x. Solution: let x denote the age of chosen students. Let x denote the age of chosen student. then x can take values 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We make a frequency table to find the number of students with age x. Here given table: age x, tally marks, number of students with age x. When age 14, student is 2, number of student is 2. When age 15, tally marks is 1, number of students with age x is equal to 1. Age 16, tally marks is 2, number of students with age is 2. Age 17, then number of students is equal to 3. Age 18, then number of students with age x is equal to 1. Age 19, then number of students with age 2. Age 20, then number of students with age 3. Age 21, then number of students with age is equal to 1. Therefore, total number of students with age x is equal to 15. The chances of any student selected is equally likely. If there are m students with age x, then probability of x is equal to m upon 15. Using this, the following is the probability distribution of x. X is equal to x, random variable: 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Its probability is equal to, when x is equal to 14, then its probability is equal to 2 upon 15. When x is equal to 15, its probability is equal to 1 upon 15. When x is equal to 16, its probability is equal to 2 upon 15. When x is equal to 17, its probability is equal to 3 upon 15. When x is equal to 18, its probability is equal to 1 upon 15. When x is equal to 19, its probability is equal to 2 upon 15. When x is equal to 20, its probability is equal to 3 upon 15. When x is equal to 21, its probability is equal to 1 upon 15. Here in the first row given that age 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Therefore, its mean is equal to variance of x, expected value of x is equal to summation of xi into p of xi is equal to 14 into 2 upon 15 plus 15 into 1 upon 15 plus 16 into 2 upon 15 plus 17 into 3 upon 15 plus 18 into 1 upon 15 plus 19 into 2 upon 15 plus 20 into 3 upon 15 plus 21 into 1 upon 15. Then we get is equal to 1 upon 15 get common into bracket 28 plus 15 plus 32 plus 51 plus 18 plus 38 plus 60 plus 21 is equal to 1 upon 15 into 263 is equal to 17.53. Now summation of xi square into p of xi is equal to 196 into 2 upon 15 plus 225 into 1 upon 15 plus 256 into 2 upon 15 plus 289 into 3 upon 15 plus 324 into 1 upon 15 plus 361 into 2 upon 15 plus 400 into 3 upon 15 plus 441 into 1 upon 15 is equal to 1 upon 15 get common into bracket 392 plus 225 plus 512 plus 867 plus 324 plus 722 plus 1200 plus 44 equal to 1 upon 15 into 4683, which is equal to 312.2. Now variance of x is equal to summation of xi square into p of xi minus e of x bracket square is equal to 312.2 minus 17.53 bracket square is equal to 312.2 minus 307.3 is equal to 4.9. Now standard deviation is equal to square root of variance of x is equal to square root of 4.9 is equal to 2.21. Hence mean is equal to 17.53, variance is equal to 4.9 and standard deviation is equal to 2.21. Thank you.